Hello students, in this video we will discuss about distance of a point from a plane. Distance of a point from a plane. That means if point is given here, suppose this is a point A and one another plane is given here like this. Suppose this is the plane P1. Then what will be distance between this point and this plane? That means A to, suppose this is the point B. What will be distance of AB? Now, if we take this in the rectangular coordinate system, X, O, Y and Z. So, position vector of A with respect to O will be small a. Since equation of given plane, let equation of given plane P1 be R dot N equal to D. R dot N equal to D, where D is the perpendicular distance of this plane from the origin. If we take another plane which is passes through the point A, suppose I write like this here. Suppose this is the point A and this is the position vector of A is small. Now, if this point B and I want to find the distance between A and B. I write here equation of plane P1 equal to R dot N equal to D and A point A with position vector small a vector. Now, if we draw a perpendicular from O to P1, suppose ON, and this is the magnitude of ON is D. This is the given here. R dot N vector equal to D. D means distance of P1 plane from the origin. And suppose this dotted plane parallel to this P1 plane, since another plane passes through point A and parallel to plane P1, then this is the N dash, ON dash. ON dash is the distance of this plane from the origin. Then this will be then equation of dotted plane R minus A dot N equal to 0. R minus A means this plane passes through the point A whose position vector is smaller. So, equation of this dotted plane will be R minus A dot N equal to 0. That means this will be r dot n equal to a dot n. Equation first. Since r dot n means this is the equation of this plane. Now distance between both planes, since distance between both planes is equal to or will be equal to distance of given plane from given point will be equal to magnitude of AB will be equal to ON minus ON dash. ON minus ON dash. Since here A vector dot B vector n vector, since A vector dot n vector from 1 is the distance of dotted plane from origin, that is ON dash will be equal to A vector dot n vector. Therefore AB, that means distance between point and plane, this is the point and this is the plane, distance between point and plane will be equal to ON means D minus ON dash means A dot n in the vector form. So this will be distance between given plane and a given point, and this will be in the magnitude because distance never negative. Now in the next video we will discuss about how to find the distance of a plane from the origin.